once you are done with your drawing, I'm going to go AB default. And now it's time to do the Pro E Final Dragster Checklist. To do that, you need this sheet open on your iPad, and it will tell you how everything is supposed to be. So let's start by checking the length of the body blank. So now this is where I need to come through over here. So I'm going to click here, whatever turns red. Let's go AB front, it might be easier to see. There we go. You can see that that's the view I drew on, so now I'm going to right click on it and go edit definition, and then go placement, edit, and it's going to tell me how long it is, 280. If I cut to the front of my car, that's how long it is. So I can just accept it and go to the green check mark. So then what you would do with your iPad, you would actually click a check mark here. So now I'm going to check the front axle. I'm going to look that I didn't do any of this stuff. All right, so going back here, which one did I do the holes in? The holes will turn red. So I'm going to go edit definition, placement, edit, and it brings me back here. So I'm zooming in. I want to know that I'm 7 to 9 from the bottom, which I am, and I'm 245 from the front. So I said I was going to be 35 from the front, so it did the math, and that's where I am. And then I want to go accept. And I want to make sure the holes go all the way through. So you can see this line goes all the way through my car. It is right, so I would accept it. And then I could put a check mark in, not all of them, but some of them. I can do a check mark on 2A. Oh, no, I can't. 2B and C. 2A I will do when I go look at my sketch. So now I'm going to go do 3, the back axle hole. So I repeat the process for the back axle hole. And you should really do them at the same time so you don't have to keep going through it over and over. Placement, edit. And I set it 60 from the back, so that's correct. And does it go all the way through? Yes. Accept. So now I'm on 4A, so I'm going to check the power plant. So I'm going to go AB front just so I can see the car. Which one did I do the power plant in? Right there. So I right click on it, edit definition, and I'm looking. It is 60 from the back, but now I need some more dimensions. So I'm going to go edit placement. It's 30 from the bottom. It's 25 in diameter. It's 60 in depth. I can't do 4D because I need to look at that when I'm looking at my drawing. So the rest of this is right. So I'm going to go accept. Good. Now, 5 says didn't draw through the power plant area. So if I drew through the power plant area, there would be a hole someplace at the top or the back or someplace else. So now I need to do 4D, which is making sure I have 4 millimeters wood on either side. So I'm going to go back here where I did my top view and go edit definition, placement, edit. And it brings me back into sketcher mode. Now I don't like how small this is, so I'm going to zoom in on it. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to spin my car around so I can see. Oh, that won't work. That's all right. We'll do it in a different view. But what I want to check on the top view is that I was big enough. So I can go AB top. And like I said, it's 10 thick. Said it had to be at least 8. And making sure it goes to the front of my car. It doesn't quite go to the front of my car, so I'm going to drag it to the front of my car. And now we're good. And I can hit accept. And then accept. I would do the same process for my side view. So now I'm on step extrude 4, edit definition, placement, edit. And this is where I can check to make sure I have enough wood in front of my axle hole. So I'm going to zoom in on it here. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to dimension, and I'm going to click the hole, and I'm going to click the arc. And then I'm going to click center click between them. And I want to go for horizontally. Accept. If it doesn't give you one, let's do it again. and it's not doing it right. If it doesn't do it right, you're going to have to guess. And the easiest way to do that is I'm going to draw a line from here to here and hit this tool. And now I can dimension this tool line to see what it is. So I'm going to click on it one time and then center click to the outside of it. So it's 12. I got plenty of space. If it's under 7, you would need to change that number. And then I would repeat that process with the back. Do not forget to delete this line. You do not want it there. If it's right, go to the check mark and accept it. So now I've gone through and looked at everything on my car, and now I'd save it and be ready to print it.